Hola amigos, amigas, buenas tardes. Here in San Juan, COSALA, right in an all-Mexican neighborhood. And people are celebrating now. I've been coming to the lakeside area since 2019, and I haven't had a chance to see this. Now what people are doing is, they're all out here having fun. Kids are taking buckets of water and they're cooling off the people who are in the trucks. So people are in pickup trucks, watch this. If they got water, here it comes. Here it comes. Watch this kid, watch this. They're having fun, this is an activity. They're having a lot of fun. I don't know what he's got. Yeah. This is interesting. What a way to cool off. Look at it, they're all wet. Here's the mothers with the kids having a lot of fun. So I'm here once again in San Juan, COSALA. Here's a girl or a woman. She's getting ready to throw a bucket of water on some car. This is fun. They're having fun. Viva Mexico is coming off of a speaker there. See, they're wet. Oh, they got me too. All right, that's okay. That's all right. Watch this. I'll try to get a close up. They got hoses. The kids got hoses. Well, they're having fun. Viva Mexico. They're having fun. What a way to have fun here. And they're going up about almost a mile that way. And they started out almost a mile that way. Hey. Whoa! Let's see if we catch a little bit more of this action here. This looks fun. Kids having fun. And this area here is a predominantly poor Mexican neighborhood. And I don't think many of them have pools in their homes. So this is a way they're cooling off and celebrating something. It's a nice neighborhood. I love this neighborhood. I come through here quite a bit. Did a lot of boots on the ground videos, walk videos from San Juan, COSALA. Whoa! Adios, amigos. Tap on that notification bell, and you'll be notified of upcoming videos.